Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. We will learn how to italicize text in Discord Mobile. Discord supports simple text formatting using Markdown syntax, which works the same on mobile and desktop. To italicize text, open any chat or server channel and type your message, surrounded by asterisks or single underscores. First, I will show you how it looks by default. Let's set its type high. As you can see, it is not italicized in normal text. But if you type an asterisk, then high, and another asterisk, you will see it has successfully been italicized. You can also type an underscore any word and another underscore, and it will also send an italicized version. This works well for short phrases or single words and can be combined with other formatting like bold or strike through if needed. Remember that the formatting symbols themselves will not appear once the message is sent to other users. Experiment with it in a test channel if you want to practice before using it in public chats. We learned how to italicize text on Discord using single asterisks, underscores, and how Markdown formatting affects message appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.